Your phone just buzzed. A reminder for an event you canceled weeks ago. An ad for something you already bought. You sigh, deleting yet another email. We call these devices smart, but often they feel anything but. They bombard us with information, yet struggle to understand our most basic preferences. We're left drowning in digital noise, constantly correcting, filtering, and deleting. What if there was another way? What if your personal AI assistant didn't just react to your commands, but actually learned you? For decades, businesses have chased the holy grail of personalization. From targeted ads to tailored recommendations, the goal has always been the same: to make you feel seen, understood, and valued. But this pursuit often hit a wall. Remember the early days of online shopping, where recommendations felt more like random guesses? Or the intrusive and irritating brand presences that pushed us away? The truth is, genuinely understanding billions of unique individuals, each with evolving habits, was an impossible task for traditional systems. Their approach was broad strokes, often based on demographic data or superficial past clicks. It was always a guessing game, and more often than not, they guessed wrong. But what if the AI wasn't sending your every interaction back to some distant server? What if your personal assistant learned you directly on the device you hold every day? This is where the game has quietly changed. For years, the conventional wisdom was that more data, gathered centrally in massive data centers, led to smarter AI. But this meant privacy trade-offs and generic results. Now, a new paradigm is emerging, a sophisticated, privacy-preserving framework where AI learns directly on your device. This isn't just a software update. It's a fundamental shift in how artificial intelligence interacts with our personal lives. Your phone, your tablet, your laptop, they're becoming not just smart, but profoundly, uniquely yours. Think of your personal AI assistant not as a massive, centralized supercomputer, but as your own dedicated gardener. This gardener doesn't need to see every other garden on Earth to know how to care for yours. It observes your garden, your habits, your preferences, your tasks, directly on the spot. This is the essence of on-device training. Instead of sending all your raw interactions to a distant cloud, where a general AI model tries to generalize from billions of users, your AI assistant trains a smaller, specialized model using only your local data. This dedicated, personal AI school, as some researchers call it, learns the unique patterns of your digital life, creating a tailor-made intelligence that truly understands you, without sharing your specifics with the wider world. Companies like Apple and Meta are actively exploring these privacy-preserving frameworks. This personalized approach solves a major challenge: the cold start problem. We've all experienced it, getting a new device or app, and it knows nothing about us. We have to spend weeks teaching it, feeling like we're talking to a stranger. But with on-device learning, your AI starts learning from day one, in real time. It quickly bridges that gap, moving beyond basic commands to truly anticipate your needs. Imagine your AI noticing your browsing history, your calendar, and your recent messages, then proactively suggesting the perfect gift for a friend's upcoming birthday. Or a learning platform like StudyGraph dynamically adjusting its curriculum to your unique study style, pinpointing your weaknesses and reinforcing your strengths without you even having to ask. It's moving from reactive assistance to genuinely proactive companionship. This new level of personal understanding isn't just about convenience. It's fundamentally reshaping how we interact with information itself. For decades, searching meant an iterative process: typing a query, sifting through results, refining the query, clicking more links, and endless digital foraging. But new research on conversational AI shows that dynamic, adaptive assistants are changing the very shape of information seeking. These AI episodes don't uniformly collapse into more searches, they bifurcate. Most now terminate in place, with the AI providing the answer directly, no onward search needed. This means you ask, the AI, armed with knowledge of your context and preferences, provides a succinct, relevant answer. The constant cycle of clicking and navigating is replaced by direct, conversational engagement. This is not just helping you find information. It's changing the very cognitive process of how you acquire it. But with unprecedented convenience comes new questions. While on-device training significantly enhances privacy by keeping your raw data local, An AI that deeply understands you still raises profound questions about autonomy. What are the hidden incentives for companies pushing these ultra-personalized assistants? It's not just about selling you more products. It's about cementing user stickiness, creating an indispensable digital companion. The trade-off is subtle. As the AI becomes more adept at anticipating your needs, do you become less independent in your decision-making? Could it inadvertently guide you into a filter bubble, showing you only information that reinforces your existing views, simply because it knows what you prefer? We gain immense efficiency, but we might subtly surrender some of our exploratory curiosity, our serendipitous discoveries, and even our capacity for independent thought. The adaptive personal AI assistant is more than just another gadget. It marks a pivotal moment in our relationship with technology. It's moving from a tool we simply use to a constant, learning companion shaping our digital lives. We are entering an era of coevolution, where human habits and artificial intelligence continuously adapt to each other. Understanding how these systems learn, what they truly mean for our daily routines, and what questions we must continue to ask about privacy and autonomy is no longer optional. This isn't just about making your life easier. It's about fundamentally redefining convenience, control, and what it means to be digitally understood in a world increasingly shaped by intelligence that learns you.